welcome this edition of Bradshaw's Home Improvements latest project. Our team was called out to this investment property for a renovation. A couple of things that concerned the owner was removal of support walls to open up space and to also install hardwood flooring so the house will flow throughout. So stay tuned as Bradshaw Home Improvement renovates another project. Our old dining room with the support walls will now become our beautiful new kitchen. And our old kitchen will now become our dining room. We're basically going to switch them around. We have removed the support walls and install hardwood flooring so that this house has a nice flow throughout. So let's take a look and see how it all turned out. What a transformation. Very contemporary kitchen. This is an area anyone would love to cook in. An open concept with a beautiful island to enjoy. With the help of our client who picked out the farm sink and the quartz countertop, these are just some of the features in this island. Our LED lights and island pendants are all controlled individually, so if you need a little light for ambiance or a lot of light for cooking, it's your choice. So when you're ready to go from this to this, give Bradshaw Home Improvement a call and we'll be glad to help.